Sorry guys, see, we were discussing map. Yeah, I think you got the clarity already. Okay, in the collections we were discussing map. In the map, if you observe, you understood why hash map, and you understood linked hash map also, identity hash map also. Problems were there and they were solved by different maps. Now we will understand what is this weak hash map. Okay, why this is different from the three hash maps. Okay, are you guys ready now? Okay, good. I will execute and I will show it to you. I will execute and I will show it to you. Ifan oddu sir ide. Okay, here we go. We will create a hash map. Okay, now in this hash map I will be adding some data here. Okay, random data, anything you can take it. I'm just checking these things. Okay, perfect, whatsoever, let it be. Okay, here we go. Hash map dot string. Key is also string and value is also string. What I'll do is I will use string s is equals to new string hello, or I can take anything, like I will just tell you, don't worry. So yes 1 or yes anything, this I will change it as 1. Now what I'll do is I will add this object, or I will put this object into the hash map as a key. So how should I do it? hm dot put yes with another string one. Okay, good. Now after this system dot out dot println hash map. What will be the output? Any doubt in this? Do you have any doubt in this? Yes is what? String 1. String digit 1. That 1 is equals to one because value is what? 1. We are printing it, correct? Observe very carefully internally what happens. Very important. I will not repeat, properly you observe. Okay. What did we do? We created one string object, correct? Okay, in this string object what is there? 1 is there, correct? Assume address it as x01. Address of this object is what? x01. Where did I store? I stored in S. S is having x01 address, means S is pointing towards this object, correct or not now? Yes. Now what I do, I'm going to put that into the hash map. So this is the hash map. Clear now? So these are the keys, these are the values. Okay. Now and double quotes 1, whatever you write within the double quotes, one string object will be created. Whatever you write within the double quotes, that string object will be created in the string pool area or pool area. You know or not? String pool area. Okay. This object will be created in the string pool area with ONA. Which object it is? String object. Assume this address is what? x02. Do you understand now? x02. Since directly I am using literal approach here, there is no new string of ONE, just directly literal of ONE. This will create a string object in the string pool area. Okay, this will create a object of string in the string pool area. So total, if you observe, this one is a string object with address x01. This ONE is a string object with address x02. What you are going to do in the hash map, you are going to put S address as key. What will be stored here? K. Here what will be stored? What will be stored? x01. Key is what? x01. What is value? x02. Means key will be pointing towards this object, value will be pointing towards this object. Correct? Do you understand now? This much is clear now? So key is nothing but x01, so it will be pointing towards x01. Value is what? x02, it will be pointing towards this object, correct? If I write, if I print HM, what will be the answer? This is one entry, so what is the key? You should go to x01, that is 1, comma. What is the value? You should go to this address, that is what? ON1. Is it clear now? Key and value. Any doubts in this? Do you have any doubts in this? Is it clear now? Okay, now what I do is observe very carefully. What I do is, after I put this entry in the map, I will reinitialize the S variable. I will change the S variable, like S is equals to new string of, do you understand now? Or reinitializing you leave, or I'll just write S is equals to null. S is equals to null. So you have observed some behavior of garbage collector. What is that behavior of garbage collector? Observe very carefully. Suppose yes, okay, up to here is it clear now? Up to 11th line, did you understand now what I told? Now I will talk about this story. S is equals to null. What is the meaning of it? S is equals to null. S was storing x01 now. This pointing, it was pointing towards this object, that will be removed, and S is having only now null. Did you understand now? S is having null. Do you understand? Previously S was pointing towards this object or not? Now that pointer is removed, means it is not pointing to, it is not now pointing towards this object. Okay now? Now observe very carefully. Do you have address of this object? Which object? 1. Do you have address of this object anywhere stored in this program? Yes or no? Those who are saying no, think. Why? It is not there in yes, but remember, you kept this address in the map. Map is having the address of that object or not? Map is having the address of that object or not? So outside the map, even though I am making that variable null, but still that object address exists in the hash map. Do you understand now? Okay, observe now. Observe now. Like if I print yes here, what is the answer? Yes was having 1, I accept, but later I reinitialized yes to null. If I print yes, what is it? Here, observe here. What is s value? Okay, good. That means now s is not pointing towards any object. S is not pointing towards any object. But if you observe here, I will print hash map. In the hash map, key is still storing the address of the object 1. Observe now. Is it having 1 or not with him? Yes. So the point is, before I put, not add here, before I put yes object, means what? 1 object address into the map, s was pointing towards it. After keeping that yes into the map, then I am modifying yes. Now s is not pointing towards the object. So now observe very carefully. Listen. Very simple it is. Imagine this, I don't write. S is equals to null, I don't write. How many pointers are there for string object 1? 2 pointers. That is, S is also pointing towards the 1 object, that is x01, and key, first entry's key of the map is also pointing towards that object. So 2 pointers means 2 variables has the reference of this object. 1 object, but there are 2 variables who have address of this object, reference of this object. Now S is pointing towards 1. Key of the map is also pointing towards 1. 2 address are there or not? Now immediately what I did, S is equals to null. Now what happened? S stopped pointing towards, correct or not? Yes, stopped pointing towards x01. Now it is carrying null. Okay, gone. There were 2 pointers. Outside of the map, what I did, I cancelled 1 pointer. I made s value as null. Now out of 2 address references, only 1 person is having the address. Who is that fellow? Map. Inside the map, key is having the address of that object. Do you understand now? Okay, this much is it clear now? Okay, good. So remember this. I will come to this point. Remember this. Okay, remember this. I will come to this point now. I will come to this point. Okay, remember this. I will comment it. Observe now. String s is equals to, okay, new string I will use. Okay, new string of hello. Okay, good. New capital N I have written, small n it is. So here we go. Another s is equals to new string of by. Only these 2 lines. Let us understand the story, how it works. String s is equals to new string of hello. String s is equals to new string of hello. First, one string object with hello data is created. Assume address is what? x01. Correct? Now s is pointing towards this object, that is x01. Correct or not? Line number 9, did you understand? Now in line number 10, what we are doing? We are creating one more string object with by. Correct or not? Okay. Now this assume address is x02. This address where you are storing? You are storing it in where? Yes only. That means s was pointing towards the hello. Now s will have x02. Now s will start pointing towards the second object. Now first object is there. Now that address is gone. Is anybody having the address of this hello now? Is anybody having the address of this hello now? No. This object don't have any strong reference. Means nobody is storing the address of this object now. Correct or not? So this object is not having its address with anyone. Nobody is having. That means this fellow is orphan. This fellow is orphan or not? That means garbage collector will attack on him. Garbage collector will attack object. Nobody is having your address, so you are absolutely waste. You will reduce the speed of the execution and you will also unnecessarily occupy the memory. My responsibility is to remove. So I'm coming, I'm going to delete. Do you understand what I'm saying here? This actually happens. Garbage collector will be removing the objects. Garbage collector will be removing the objects once that object is not having any strong reference. Strong reference means what? No other variables carry the address of that object. समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? देखो, मैं एक ऑब्जेक्ट हूँ, है ना? मेरा एड्रेस एक पर्सन के पास था. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग हियर? बाद में उन्होंने क्या किया, दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट का एड्रेस उसके साथ रख दिया. सो मेरा एड्रेस इसके पास तो नहीं है, तो मैं अकेला बंदा हो गया, सिंगल, सो मैं मर जाता हूँ. मीन्स गार्बेज कलेक्टर विल कम एंड डिलीट मी. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग नाउ? यस सर, नो? देखो, ऐसे सोचो, मैं एक पब में जाना है. ओके, आई वॉन्ट टू गेट इन टू द पब. सो दे टोल्ड दैट ओनली कपल्स आर अलाउड. मैंने क्या किया, एक लड़की को साथ लेके अंदर गया. ओके ना? सो like she was addressing me, she is my pair. Okay, so I hold her hand and I went inside. They allowed. After going inside, she left my hand, she held another person hand. मेरे ऊपर शक था वो बॉडीगार्ड का, इस बंदे के काम का. what is this fellow can never get how he is, but still he was observing me. And my girl, she left my hand and she was started dancing with the other person. Of course not own, like purchased for pub, that's it, simple. No, what is that word you say? Hired for pub. So she left my, just for fun, don't take seriously and all, don't overthink. Okay, so she held others hand. Now nobody is holding my hand now. What that fellow will come, the bodyguard, he will kick me out of the pub or not? यही होता है यहाँ. Do you understand now? Yes was having the address of hello. Yes was having the address of hello. Later what happened? Yes left hello and yes started holding the address of bye. Now hello is not having any strong reference, so hello is ready for garbage collection. This much is clear now? Okay, good, superb, done. Now these two I will remove. So जो topic था I told you. Now you see this much. Yes was having the address of first word 1, correct or not? Now what happened? There is one more string object ONE. This is this address is x01. This address is what? x02. This is HM. This is key. This is value. Okay, now observe very carefully. In the map you are going to put yes address. What is yes address? S is pointing towards which object now? S is pointing towards which object now? So it is x01. Means this key is also pointing towards this object. Do you understand? Then value is what? ONA. So x02 will be stored here. Any doubts in this? Then what I did, S is equals to null. Khatam. S was having the address of 1. S was having the address of 1. Now I made S is equals to null. That means S is no longer having the address of string 1. Now my question, will garbage collector delete this object or not? Will this garbage collector delete that object or not? Why no? Because the address of this one is with HashMap. Correct or not? यही प्रॉब्लम है. अगर मैं एक्सप्लिसिटली किसी एक ऑब्जेक्ट को डिलीट करना चाहता हूं तो वो डिलीट नहीं होगा. क्यों? मैप में उसका एड्रेस रहेगा. Memory optimization will be a big task for me. Do you understand what I am saying? Huh? If we delete, try to, means if we tend that object to delete, do you understand what I am saying now? But still that object will not be deleted. Why? Because the address of that object is still present in map. This much is clear now. Means this hash map, this whatever the line you are seeing here now, this is also a reference to the object or not? So this is going to be a strong reference. This is going to be a what? Strong reference. So map बोलेगा कि बाहर से किसी को ये ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, छोड़ दो, मुझे चाहिए, मैं डिलीट नहीं करने दूंगा. Do you understand? Biggest problem. Imagine I created thousands of objects and I made all their references as null. Means garbage collector has to delete all those objects or not? But hash map will not allow them. Why? Hash map is having the address of those objects, na? Biggest problem. So developers, they came across this kind of issues and they told this issue to James Gosling and their team. Do you understand? इसको तो फिक्स करना है ना, इस प्रॉब्लम को फिक्स करने के लिए what James Gosling and their team members did, look at here, this is a strong reference, is there now? Now they developed one more map. Where maps will not have strong reference, they will have weak reference. They will have what you tell me? Not strong, weak reference. Weak reference means what? The outer means outside variable, it was pointing towards this object or not? Yes. The moment when the outer object references cuts internally, hash map was also having the address or not? Thus that address also will be cut. So that if you delete outside, that object is also deleted from map. So memory optimization will be very good. Just to bring this idea into hash map, they introduced one more map. What is that? It is hash map only, but weak. What is weak? Weak stands for weak reference. Weak stands for what? Weak reference. अगर ये strong reference है, अगर बाहर object delete हो रहा है तो map पे delete नहीं होगा. So इसलिए इन्होंने क्या किया? Instead of storing the address of this object, in the weak hash map, he stored the address of S here. Do you understand now? If S becomes null, he also will become null. Do you understand now? So this ideology has been brought into hash map. And they have to give another name to it because already maps are there. They have to rename it. So they renamed it as weak hash map. Weak stands for what? Weak reference, not strong reference. Directly object address it will not contain. Do you understand now? Directly object address it will not contain. Indirect relationship will be there. Like means weak reference will be there. मतलब अगर इस वेरिएबल में वैल्यू नल हुआ तो ये क्या होगा? नल हो जाएगा. Means one finally will not have any reference. Then one is deleted by garbage collector. So that memory optimization will be in a good standards. Do you understand now? Huh? Okay, good. I will execute and I will show you. देखो इस प्रोग्राम में slowly, okay? this program में hash map use कर रहा हूँ या weak hash map use कर रहा हूँ? Hash map will have strong reference or weak reference? Strong reference. Even though S is becoming null, tell me hash map contains 1 or not? Yes, it contains 1. When you run, see 1 is printed here. Do you understand now? Okay. Let us go for weak hash map. Okay, run. I have to modify this once, just give me a minute. Garbage collector is not coming and deleting, that is the problem. Garbage collector is not coming and deleting. So because see, observe now, you have to understand the garbage collector behavior first of all. You have to understand the behavior of garbage collector. There is no guarantee that garbage collector will come and delete it. There is no guarantee that garbage collector will come and delete it. Who is going to call this garbage collector? JVM will be coming, but we can just give suggestion to it. But let me try to give suggestion here. I'll write system.gc method, system spelling, system.garbage collection method. I am calling, but still there is no guarantee that garbage collector may come, may not come. So let me try to run this code. See, gone. Correct or not now? No, gone. Why it is gone? Garbage collector came. Thank God JVM accepted our request. So garbage collector has been called. Then garbage collector deleted the orphan object. So that object is also deleted from map. That is the reason we are not getting anything. Did you understand? It is pure logical thinking. See, hash map एक ही है, लेकिन depending on the property, we are going to use different hash maps. Did you understand now? So if anybody asks you what is weak hash map, what will you say? Sir, weak stands for weak reference. If outside of the maps, if any reference is cut or if any reference is deleted for a particular object, that object reference also will be deleted from the map. That hash map we will call it as weak hash map. What is strong hash map? They will ask. Sir, strong hash map is not there. It is just a hash map. It contains the strong reference. If outside of the map, that object address is stored by someone. There, if you delete, but still the object's address will be present in the hash map. Is it positive or negative? They will ask. So most of the times it will be negative, because if object is getting deleted outside, still it will be present in the map. It will consume more space in the heap area, which may lead to less performance. That is the reason we are going to go for hash map. Suppose if they ask you, what will you use, hash map or map? Sorry, hash map or weak hash map? They will ask. Sir, it depends on the project, sir. Depends on the project. Do you understand what I am saying? See, like accidentally, if I make outside changes and I don't want to delete that object, by accidentally, yes became null. But if I use weak hash map, that object is also deleted from the map also, na? No. Depends on the projects. Depends on the project. Depends on the situation I will be using, sir. That's it. Simple. Is it clear or not? Do you understand or not understood? See, I don't know whether you know this or not. If I delete my contact from phone contacts, in WhatsApp also that number is deleted. Correct or not? So WhatsApp will have weak references to phone contacts. But some applications, if you delete in the contacts, but that contact number will be there in the other applications also. You have to go and delete there also. Those people will have strong reference. Telegram, Telegram. WhatsApp is having weak references to contacts, but Telegram is having strong references to contacts. Depends on the application, as I told. How you want to develop your application, you can do it. Some people will say, Array, I have to delete here also, I have to delete there also. Strong reference is very dangerous. But some people will say, sorry, by mistake if I delete here also, in the other app I can get it. Some people will see it as advantage, some people will see it as disadvantage. In exams, if in interviews anybody asks, then you just tell them that depends on the requirement, sir. If I want to develop a Telegram, I will use strong reference. If I want to develop an WhatsApp, I will go for weak reference. Something like that. I don't know exactly how it works. No, I don't know means I have not used it. I have never deleted any contact. That's the reason I'm telling you. This much is clear. Ho gaya weak hash map. Every program that you do in hash map, you can also do it using weak hash map also. There is nothing different. Did you understand now? So how do you suggest JVM to call the garbage collector? System.gc method you are going to call. Is it clear now? Okay, good. So it is deleted. Sir, just use hash map, sir, and call GC, sir. Let me see. Hash map I am using. Okay, I am calling GC also. Correct? Tell me that element or that entry will it be there in the hash map or not? Yes or no? Yeah, I called garbage collector now. Sir, even though if you call garbage collector also, that entry will be there in the hash map because it is having strong reference. Just in the place of hash map, if you use WeakHasMap, gone. Because outside you are deleting it, means you are making that object as null, so that is gone. Is it clear now? That entry itself will be removed from the map. So this completes your hash map, linked hash map, identity hash map, WeakHasMap. Is it clear now? See, identity hash map and WeakHasMaps are introduced in 1.4. Sorry, identity and linked hash map. WeakHasMap is introduced in 1.2 only. Memorize these things because in the interview, if you mention the version also, they will get impressed. Correct or not? Okay, done. So tree map. What is this? Tree map. Okay, good. To understand tree map, first of all you should understand tree क्या होता है. To understand tree map, you should understand first how tree and how data will be stored. क्यों बात करते हो? क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? What is your problem? Why are you talking? Sir, tree is cancelled. Okay ना, happy? We will go for set. आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है ना, क्या करें आप? You are not interested ना, you are talking. We will go to set interface. है? Red black tree. ट्री मैप है भाई, आपको ट्री मैप समझ में आना चाहिए तो पहले आपको रेड ब्लैक ट्री समझना है, इसलिए रेड ब्लैक ट्री. देन वी विल गो टू ट्री मैप. देखना है ना पहले ट्री क्या होता है, रेड ब्लैक ट्री क्या है. ओके, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड बाय योर ओन and it is very easy if someone is going to explain. So that's why listen to me. Your friend is not listening. What did I tell about Kohli now, just now? That blue shirt, purple shirt, I don't know. Before you, who is ahead? What did I just now tell about Virat Kohli? He was not listening. Not you, behind you. Purple or blue or something I said. Look at your shirt. That green t-shirt boy is thinking, he is telling me or what? Okay, here we go. Listen. I don't want you to miss any point. That is the reason. I don't want you to miss any point. What I am telling, you may get it, but explanation might be confusing to you. देखो, what is red black tree? डेटा कैसे स्टोर होगा, सब कुछ मैं एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ. करेक्ट ओनली ना? यस, पूरा हिंदी आ गया. रेड ब्लैक ट्री नाउ. So these 5 rules must always hold. You must follow or stick to it. These 5 rules. What are those? First one, every node is neither red or black. Node पता है आपको? Linked list में node रहेगा ना, ऐसे. Okay ना? Every node is either red or black. ऐसे क्यों सर? गोस्लिंग को पूछो. जब आपको टाइम रहेगा मेल लिखो उसको. Okay? Every node is either red or black. The root is always black. Root node in the tree must be always in black. Okay. Every new node that we add to the tree will be red. समझ में आ रहा है? Every new node that you add will be in which color? Always root should be in which color? Every node is either red or black, only two colors. Up to here, is it clear now? So third point, 2 times. All null nodes are black. I have to change the point. See, third point, this is fourth point, this is fifth point, and this is sixth point. Okay. Now fourth point, all null nodes are black. All null nodes are black. Okay, good. Red nodes cannot have red children. अगर पेरेंट रेड कलर नोड है, चाइल्ड रेड नहीं होना है. No, parent can see. I have added one red. Again I have added one red. So दोनों red red हो गया ना? ऐसा. Red nodes cannot have red children. Okay, this is one rule. No two reds in a row. Okay, then every path from a node to its descendant null nodes must have same number of black nodes. This rule is also must hold. Okay, these are the 6 rules. Is it clear now? Okay. How coloring? I know you are not understanding. Don't worry. Let me explain. I am just telling you the rules. How coloring works during the insertions. When inserting the new node, insert as in a BST. Binary okay, I will not talk about it then. It is too much DSA. Just tree it as. The color I will just write tree. You will get confused. It is like too much more. Okay. When inserting a new node, insert as in a tree, then color the new node red. Always you have to color the new node as red. Check for the rule violations. Means if the rule is getting broken or not. Okay. If parent is black, then there is no rule breaking, because parent is black, new node is red, black and red. Okay. If parent is red, then violation of the rule, because parent is red, child is also red, and parent and child cannot be red, so problem comes. We then examine uncle node, father's brother. We are going to check uncle's node, father's brother. Now always it depends on father's brother, uncle. If uncle is what will happen? That is parent sibling. Okay. If uncle is red, it is easy, just recolor, change the colors. Okay. Recolor. What is that? Recolor parent and uncle to the black and grandparent to red. Reevaluate at the grandparent. Again you are going to check in the grandparent. Again you have to go upwards up to the root. If uncle is black or null, this is the problem. If uncle is black or null, perform the rotations and recoloring. You have to perform the rotations and you have to go for recoloring. Okay, na? Good. This is what the combination. Left. See, left child is red and its left child is also red. In that case, what you have to do? This node is the left child of parent and parent is also the left child of grandparent. Grandparent, left child is parent, parent's left child is his child. So they are completely left. Okay. Right rotate at G, then swap colors of grandparent and parent. Right left. Sorry, left right. Left grandparent is there, left parent, right child. I know you are not understanding, don't worry. Let's go to this one. You will not understand only. So until I give one explanation. देखो ये क्वेश्चन है, बहुत इजी रहेगा and also most confusing. Rules you should understand. Shall I start explaining? First element is what? First element is what? 3. I am going to draw the complete internal structure, how it works. Listen very carefully. Is it clear now? Okay. There are different variables will be there. Left variable, right variable, data variable. Data is what? Address of the 3. 3 is what? An integer object. Lay 3 is integer object or not? Okay, integer object address is I01. Integer object address is what? So first you are adding 3 means data, here it will store what? I01 means first data is what? 3. It is pointing towards this. Clear now? Left will be what? Null. Right will be what? Null. Because this is the first element. Linked list concept, do you know nodes concept? Same. Nobody will draw this diagram and nobody will tell you, even if you search also anywhere. Listen very carefully. This is absolutely internal code. I'll bet you will never find this. So listen carefully. So now what happens? Left variable is also null, right variable is also null. Okay. Then 21 is one more object. 21 is what? One more object. Which object it is? Integer object. Correct? Which object it is? Integer object. What is the address? Assume that it is I02. Now what will happen? I02 and I01 will be compared. I02 and I01 will be compared. Look at here. 21 is greater than 3 or less than 3? Greater than 3. Now immediately what happens? One node object is created. Which object is created? Node. This is also node. This is also node object. Okay na? This is also node object. Understand, this node address is what? N01. This node address is what? N02. Is it clear now? Now look at here now. 21 is greater than 3 or less than 3? Greater than 3. Up to here, did you understand now? Okay, good. Greater than 3. Now what happens? Here data will be there. Correct? Good. Here left variable will be there and right variable will be there. Is it clear now? Okay. Left value is what? Null. Right value is what? Null. Data is what? I02. Correct or not? I02. Now I02 is less than 3 or more than 3? More than 3. If this value is more than 3, it will become the right child of the 3. Right child of the 3 means, now this null is there, no, right? This null is removed. You will store here N02 like this. Do you understand now? Means first node N01 is having the right child as N02. एक्चुअल डायग्राम ऐसा होता है 3 राइट चाइल्ड 21. ये इजी है समझने के लिए, लेकिन ये लिखने से आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आएगा इंटरनली क्या हो रहा है. ओके, इफ आई सिंपली राइट 3 राइट चाइल्ड इज 21, सी जनरली everywhere you see they will explain like this. Okay, 21 is greater than 3 or less than 3? Greater than. Then right side 21. Suppose 1 is less than 3 or more than 21? Less than. So here 1. Like this they will tell, but it is not going to be like that. This much is it clear now? Whatever I have drawn. Here 32 is there now. 32 will go again right side. I don't want to write this, so I'll change it to 2. I'll change it to 2. अब क्या होगा? 2 is what? 2 is integer object. Address, assume that it is I03. It will always start comparing from top to bottom. Always comparison will go from top to bottom. So now 2 will be compared with I01, that is 3. 2 is less than 3 or more than 3? Less than. So it will become a left child. So one node object is created. Which object is created? Node object. Address is what? N03. Here one variable will be there, data. It contains, okay, then left variable and right variable. Is it clear now? Okay, good, superb, done. Listen very carefully. Data contains what? I03, means it is pointed towards this 2. Okay, here left is also null, right is also null. Okay, now this is less than 2 or more than 2? Less than 2. So here what happens? Left side is there now. Left side, here it will become what? N03, means this address will be pointed towards this node. Is it clear now? Did you understand this much? Okay, so easy way 3 here. 21 is greater than 3 or less than 3? Greater than, so it will become right child. So 2 less than 3 or greater than 3? Less than, so you are going to go right. Do you understand now? Suppose after this, imagine like this, you have 10. Imagine that you have 10. 10 is greater than 3 or less than 3? So right or left? Right. So you'll come to 21. Do you understand now? You'll come to 21. So 10 is, what do you say? More than 21 or less than 21? So it will become left, like this. Just easy for understanding. Did you understand this much now? Okay, this is the actual code, internal, sorry, it is the actual logic how it will be stored. Do you understand now? Is it clear? It is nothing but linked list. ट्री और कुछ नहीं है, ये लिंक्ड लिस्ट है. मतलब एक नोड का एड्रेस दूसरे नोड के पास रहेगा. दैट्स इट. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ? बट इट विल स्प्लिट एवरी टाइम. Rule, remember, every node will have only 2 child nodes. Okay, so one is left, another one is right. Internally it is designed like that. This much is it clear now? Okay, good, super, done. Now what I will be doing, I will be going like this. Okay, good. This diagram how to write, did you understand now? Okay, good. Hey, what happened? Why are you leaving? Exam hai kya? Done. What was the number here? 32 na? 32 na? Okay, done. How do you draw this diagram? You see 3. I will tell you how to draw the diagram. 3 is red or black? It is red. Do you understand? But it is the root. What is root? I will tell you later, but assume like this. 3 is new node or not? Every new node is red or not? Good. 21 greater than 3 or less than 3? Huh? Greater than 3 or less than 3? So here you are going to write 12. Correct? Please observe now. 3 is the root node, so it should not be, because 3 became no root. Correct or not? After adding 12, 3 became 12. No, it is 21. What kind of fellows you are? Huh? See? Now 3 became what? Root. Then this is black color. Any doubts in this now? Okay, what about 21? Right. Is it spoiling or violating the rule? Parent and child cannot be red, but parent is what? Black. Child is what? Red. Is it violating the rules? No. Continue. 32. 32 greater than 3 or less than 3? Go to right child. 21 greater than, sorry, 32 greater than 21 or less than 21? Again you will go to right side. This is what? 32. 32 is new node or old node? New node. What is the color of this? Red. Check for violation of the rule. Is it violating the rule or not? So child is also red, parent is also red. This much is it clear now? If parent and child are red, you have to worry about uncle. Who is the parent here? 21. Who is the child here? 32. Who is the grandparent here? 3. This much is it clear now? So uncle कहाँ है? Uncle है ही नहीं. Uncle है ही नहीं. अगर uncle नहीं है तो null है ना? So null is always black. Null is always black. So if uncle is black, what to do? देखो. Up to here, did you understand now? Don't worry, don't. I will tell you. Up to here, did you understand now? So uncle is what? Black. So we'll come back here. I set the rules. Okay. Now see. If uncle is red, there is no problem. But if uncle is black or null, perform rotations. You have to perform rotations. So if you see the diagram, it is right child's right child, left side's left child, right side's right child. Yes or no? RR combination or not? So okay. If it is RR combination, what you have to do? RR combination. Right, right. Parent is right and child is also right. At that time what happens? Left rotate at G. Left rotate at G, grandparent. Then swap colors of grandparent and parent. Left rotate at G. Left rotate at G, left rotation, like they are there, no, pull like this, okay, left rotate like this and change the color of grandparent and parent. Remember this, we'll come back here, okay na. So I'll get the diagram. राइट साइड तो नहीं है इसलिए वो नल हुआ. सो अंकल नल है तो ब्लैक है. अगर ब्लैक है तो हमको क्या करना है, ये छोड़ दो. हाँ, हमको क्या करना है, व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू. जस्ट नाउ यू सी दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, लेफ्ट रोटेट, करेक्ट और नॉट, लेफ्ट रोटेट और नॉट, यू हैव टू रोटेट लाइक दिस. इफ यू रोटेट लाइक दिस, क्या ऊपर जाएगा, 21 ऊपर जाएगा, 3 यहाँ आएंगे और 32 यहाँ आएगा. करेक्ट और नॉट. राइट द कलर एज यूजुअल. ये रेड है और ये ब्लैक है. सो अब हम रोटेट तो किए, वी डिड इट. देन व्हाट दे टोल्ड, चेंज द कलर ऑफ पेरेंट एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट. ओके, पेरेंट एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज द कलर्स. सो हियर B will become R, here R will become B. So this is B and this is R. Okay na. Now change for the violation of the rule. Is there parent and child red? And make sure that root is always black. Root is black or not? So finally data will be stored like this for 3, 21 and 32. Is it clear now? So this is the final structure of the tree for 3, 21 and 32. Did you understand now? इस रूल्स को आप याद रखना चाहिए. बहुत easy है ये, dead easy. 4-5 questions you will understand. But if someone is explaining, then it will be a problematic. Sorry, if you try to learn by your own, then it is problematic. There should be someone to explain. हो गया? Don't worry about the notes. What you are doing this time? Chewing the gum? See? Don't worry, I am just joking. Here it is there, see. Written, don't worry. Story is there. So step 1, insert 3 becomes the root, color it as black. Step 2, insert 21, correct? Now, red child of the root. So, no violation, no problem. Insert 32, red child of 21, that is RR case, right case. So, uncle is null, nothing but it is black. So, left rotate at 3, top 3 है ना, so उसको left rotate करो. Swap the colors of 3 and 21. So, finally you will be getting 21 as black, 3 as red and 32 as red. Is it clear now? हाँ, इसको आप करो अभी. Along with me you are going to do it, okay? Don't worry. I'll be doing, you have to tell me. Ready? Yeah? I don't think you are ready, but still, go. First क्या होता है? 10 red or black? Correct, red होता है, लेकिन root है तो इसको black. 7 more than 10 or less than 10? Oh, super, correct? So 7 is red or black? Red. My handwriting is very beautiful, that is the reason I am rewriting. Red. Is it violating the rules? No. 15. You should always start from root. 15 greater than 10 or less than 10? So right side 15, red or black? Is it violating the rule? 3. Start from 10. Less than 10 or greater than 10? Less than 10. Okay. Less than 7 or greater than 7? So it's going to come this side. 3 or not? Yes or no? Red or black? Now is it violating the rule? Yes. 7 भी red है, 3 भी red है, ये दोनों red है. So problem होगा. क्या करना है? कौन डिसाइड करेगा? अंकल डिसाइड करेगा. हाँ? Who will decide? Uncle. Who is the uncle here? See, 3 is child, 7 is parent, 10 is grandparent. So this grandparent, P is also child and 15 is also child or not? So that means for P, 15 is what? Brother. For 3, 15 is what? Uncle. So it depends on the uncle. Uncle is red or black? Red है तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. क्या करना है आपको? सिर्फ कलर को चेंज करना है. Uncles and parents. Parent also you make it as black. Uncle also you will make it as black. खत्म. Problem solved. Did you understand now? This is how the data will be stored in the red black tree. Did you understand now? Now you will ask, sir, black possible, sir? Yes, possible. Red is not possible. Red parent, red child is not possible, but black parent, black child is possible. Any doubts in this? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Oh, very good, superb, done. Let us see. 10 is black, 7 is also black, 15 is also black, and 3 is what? Red. So properly, step by step, I explained this. You can get this notes later. Okay? Then 5, 3, 7, 6. Be very careful. 5. Red, but it will become black automatically. Good. 3. Less than 5 or more than 5? Left child or right child? Left child. Left child. 3. Red or black? Okay. 7. Right child or left child? Okay. 7. Red or black? Still there is no violation of the rule, no problem. 6. More than 5 or less than 5? So go to the right side. Less than 7 or more than 7? So come this side. So 6 is what? Red or not? So now check. Parent is also red. 7 is also red. 6 is also red or not? Violating the rule or not? What you have to do? Check the uncle. Uncle is red or black? So easy. क्या करना है आपको? Swap give कुछ नहीं करना है. सिर्फ इसको black कर दो और इसको भी black कर दो. हो गया काम. Do you understand now? 5, 3, 7, 6. 5, 3, 7, 6. Check this one. लिखो अब करो इसको 8 4 12 2 6 come on do it sir you only do sir I know le gullish fellows what is this 8 4 12 2 6 no I will take some difficult little bit more इसको करेंगे हम करेंगे कि I don't know, can I draw this properly or not? This much space is enough or not? I don't know. Let us go with this. First one is what? 30. Correct? 30 is what? Black. 15. Left child. Red. Is it violating the rule? 45. Correct? Red. Is it violating the rule? 10. Less than. Red. Violating the rule. Check the uncle. Uncle is what? Red. So हम क्या करना है अभी? Parent is also black. 45. Uncle is also black. Go continue. 20. Less than 30. More than 15. Correct or not? This is 20 or not? 20 is what? Red. 35. More than 30. Less than 45. One second. This I will take 45 little bit right side. Okay, done. So 35 is this side, correct or not? It's very difficult for me to draw, but still. What is this? 35. Red or black? Is it violating the rule? No. Go to 50. More than 30, more than 45. This side who will come? 50. Red or black? Red. Is it violating the rule? No. 5. Less than 30. Less than 15. Less than 10. Then here you will get what? 5. 5 is what? Red. Violating the rule. Check the uncle. Uncle is what? Red. So what you should do? Uncle and parent, both people will become what? Black. And here also black. Continue. 25. Less than 30. More than 15. More than 20 also. Here you will get 25 or not. So 25 is red or black? Red. Is it violating the rule? No. 40. More than 30. Less than 45. But more than 35. Correct or not? Here 40. 40 is what? Red. Red or not? So violating the rule or not? Check the uncle. Uncle is red or black? Red. So आपको क्या करना है? Change. Here this is also black. This is also black. This is what the final diagram of red black. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Internally how data will be stored? Yes or no? देखो. Listen. Very important. I am telling you. This is first generation. This is second generation. This is third generation. This is fourth generation. समझ में आ रहा है ना? देखो, index value 0, index value 1, index value 2, index value 3, index value 4, index value 5, index value 6, index value 7, index value 8, index value 9. Finally, red black tree is represented like this. If you want to print it in the array, okay, so in 0th index what will be there? Next 1, next 45, then what? 10, 20, 35, 50, then here it is 5, 25, and if you print the tree, you will not get in the sorted order. You will not see them. I am converting this tree to array. I am just printing it, just for printing. Of course, in the output we can't print tree. Can you print tree? Tree diagram will not come. So data structure will be printed. Many people, we say that tree is always sorted. Tree is what? Always sorted. Are you understanding what I am saying here now? It is always sorted. How this works, everything and all I will tell you. Min heap, max heap, वो कैसे काम करेगा सब बाद में देखेंगे. Okay? Because elements are sorted according to the order only. But if you print that tree, you will get 30, 15, 45, 10, 20. It looks like it is not sorted, but it is always sorted. Up to here, is it clear now? Did you understand now? Okay. Red black tree आपको पता चला? So this data structure is used by tree map. This, are you understanding now? Binary search tree, we will call it as. This tree is used, this tree structure is used, this data structure is used by who? By whom? Huh? Tree map. What map? Tree map. Okay, good. So, we'll go to tree map now. Map interface, inside that tree map. Okay, we will read this. The underlying data structure of tree map is what? Red. Now do you know what is red black tree? Very good. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Why duplicate keys are not allowed? Suppose you have a node 10. I will add one more 10. 10 is less than 10 or more than 10? You can't tell. You can't put the 10 to left child also and right child also. Because of this reason, duplicate keys are not allowed. Okay? Good. Now, insertion order is not preserved. Insertion order, will it be preserved? No. Randomly according to which is greater, which is less, like that it will work. Do you understand? Okay, good. Then. And all entries will be inserted according to some sorting order of the keys. If we are depending on the default natural sorting order, key should be homogeneous and comparable. Otherwise, we will get class cast exception. Don't worry, what is this? I will tell you. You want me to tell? See. Add 10. Add 10. So, you will add 10. Then I will give you, look at here, look at it. See. You are going to add the elements like this. First element is 10. Second element is 3. Now, tell me 3 is left child or right child? Why? Because 3 is less than. Okay, then now add hello. Left child or right child? Hello. Hello is greater than 10 ना less than 10 ना? Problem होगा कि नहीं होगा? इसलिए अगर आप predefined classes use करके tree map use कर रहे हो तो ये homogeneous होगा. Do you understand now? Predefined. Is it clear now? Because there is no predefined comparison with integer object and string object. 3 greater hello greater. Can you tell? No, hello greater by greater. Can you tell? No, for that we have to override some methods from some functional interfaces. What is that and all I will tell you. Okay na? So comparable comparator is the topic that I will tell you. This much is it clear now? Okay, good. So that is the reason. Read now. If we are depending on default natural sorting order, key should be homogeneous. Why homogeneous? If it is heterogeneous, you can't compare them. Yes or no? Le? True is greater or false is greater? You can't tell. True is greater than 10, less than 10, you can't tell. That is the reason. So you have to go for comparable, otherwise you will get class cast exception. You can't compare them. That is the problem. Okay. Fifth point, if we are defining our own sorting order, we can define our own sorting order. That monkey is laughing, they are watching mobile phones. Send them outside. ले क्या कर रहे हो आप दोनों? बाहर जाओ. They are using watching some series or movie. Which one? More boys. क्या आप ही बोल दो, क्या देख रहे हो आप? कुछ गलत वीडियो तो नहीं है ना? मतलब टीवी शोज ऐसे यूट्यूब वीडियोस नहीं देख रहे हो ना? क्या यार? हाँ काम अन्ना I am not understanding. See, Ramayan trailer, it is fabulous. Ravan's as done by, cast by, fabulous, awesome it is. I watched like early morning I think, and I have kept in my Instagram story also. He nailed it, I am telling you. I am not still getting confidence on Ranbir, because I have watched very old Ramayan casted by some I forgot his name. Like very old Ramayan is there in YouTube also, you can watch. I watched completely and I literally fell in love with their acting. Ram acting is absolutely fabulous in that. I don't know what is his actor. Ramji something, what is something his name is there. I forgot his name. Fabulous actor he is. And Sita Ma acting is awesome in that series. YouTube in that old one. And I see, because I already saw that kind of legends. Now comparing Ranbir and this girl Sai Pallavi, difficult. Sai Pallavi is okay. She exactly looks like Indian only. Ravan, there is no doubt at all. Fabulous. Awesome character it is. See, I am not saying anything, but I have to watch, then I should decide how he performed, because his face will be like this long. I don't like his face. Ranbir face will be like this, straw. Long will be there, like this much nose. I don't know why people will like him. And that too, most of the times he will not have beard also. Sorry, let's get back. Did you watch? Abhi chapa rahi hai chewing gum. See? Main character? Main character abhi tak release. Like, I was watching for all 4 minutes. Like, okay, when Hanuman will come, who is going to cast? I heard the name, but they did not show anything. So I'll tell you, it goes by part. In first part, mein hum kya dekh rahe hain? Dekho, very simple. Ravan is attacking who is this person? Kubera's kingdom, because he is the richest person. So after doing that ghor tapasya and all, he got blessings of all the gods. Now he is strong. Now he is going to directly Kubera's kingdom. He will break the door. I am the new king. So he owns full wealth. Now he will become the richest king. That much it is shown. Then he is up to where, up to, the story goes like this. Up to the situation, he takes Sita with him. Okay, na? On that, Jatayu will attack him. He will try to throw that spear. Okay, up to here. This is first part. Second part mein Hanuman ji aayenge. I am waiting for that, how Hanuman ji casting will be done. Who is that person? See, I hate if Hanuman character, whoever is doing, if he is not making the body, I will kill. And Adipurish Hanuman is there, no? Full spongy he is there. Adipurish Hanuman, have you seen? His body is like girls, like soft and all. Shape is there, but body is not. Muscles are not visible. So that is the only reason. How we imagine Hanumanji with so much of power, muscles and all, high level. Sorry, shall we continue the class now? That monkey is still, he is turning on the flash and he is watching. Oh, what is there to turn on the flash there? Okay, done. Shall we continue now? Okay, good. Let's get back to this. Because it is one of the India's most privileged movies, it's going to be. That is the reason. Insertion order is not preserved. You know it. Okay. What is this? Fourth point. If we are depending on the default natural sorting order, keys should be homogeneous and comparable. Otherwise, we will get class. This also point is clear. Fifth one. If we are defining our own sorting order by comparator, then keys can be heterogeneous and non-comparable also. What is that? I will tell you. Don't worry. So then, there is no restrictions on values. They can be heterogeneous or non-comparable. Means only I told you left child or right child is decided by keys, data. Do you understand now? Not with respect to values. In the diagram I have directly taken only data. Data is what? I am using key, but one more variable will be there, value. So comparison will be done only depending on what? Keys, not on values. I have already told you or not? Where? Hash table. Okay, good, superb, done. So in how many ways you can create a hash map? Constructors you should know. These are the constructors. Tree map T is equals to new tree map raw type for default natural sorting order. What is the default sorting order? It will be always in ascending order. It will be always in what? Ascending order. Okay, good. So tree map, new tree map with comparator. You can also pass the comparator. So what is this comparator, sir? Wait, wait. Tree map with another map, another sorted map type. Any sorted map type you can use it to create tree map. So again, tree map with new tree map with any other map, means you can use any other map and you can convert into tree map also. You are not understanding. Okay, ready? Open your laptops, create one tree map, and I will be giving you data. You are going to do according to it. Everybody ready with your Eclipse? Okay, good. In the HashMap package only I will be doing it. New class tree map demo. Write this much. Create a tree map and put these values. Come on, add these elements. Up to here is it clear now? Okay, good. See, always remember in the tree map, when you start retrieving the data, you will get the elements always in the sorted order. When you start retrieving the data, when you start removing the data from the map one by one, you will always get data in terms of order. See, but if I write directly, no, tree map, TM, you may not see that. 1, 2, 3, 4 default natural order means toString method is overridden already in the tree map. That's why you are getting like this. toString method is already overridden, so you are going to get in this order because 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. Why are you getting in this order? Always you will get in the sorted order. Tell कि ट्री मैप का कीज जो है, हाँ बाद में कौन बोला आपको? स्ट्रिंग भी हो सकता है, स्टूडेंट भी हो सकता है, एम्प्लॉय भी हो सकता है, लेकिन उस ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कंपेयर करने के लिए आपको कंपैरेटिव मेथड प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा, कंपैरेबल कंपैरेटर अभी आगे आएगा, सो डोंट वरी. This much is it clear now? Okay, good, super, done. This much is done. Is it done? Okay, observe now. Here we go. There is an interface called comparable. There is an interface called, what tell me? Comparable. It is present in java.lang package. It is present in java.lang package. When I am going to open this, look at here now. Okay. Look at here. Look at it. This interface is introduced in 1 point. Correct? What is the interface name? Comparable. It is a generic type. It is having, see how many methods? Only one method. What is that method? Comparative method. Now, what is comparable? Interface. When it is introduced? Very good. What is the method it is defining? Comparative. So, can I tell comparable is functional interface? Superb, done. So why it is done? So now you see, most of the classes will be implementing this comparable interface. Okay, now most of the classes will be implementing this comparable interface. Ready? Now I will tell you. Look at it, very important. Comparable is what? What method is it is defining? Compare to object O. Is it clear now? Object O. What this method will do? It will compare the objects. It is used to compare the objects, like which one is greater, which one is smaller, like this. Okay. Now if you observe what I was using integers and I was using strings and all. Do you understand what I am saying here now? So any tree, it can be tree map or it can be tree set. Do you understand now? Compulsory we will be comparing one element with another element or not? We will be comparing with one element with another element or not? So what is the method to compare two objects? Equals method. Very good. So with equals method we will get only true or false. We will get only true or false. But which is, you will just say that they are equal or not. Do you understand now? See, 14 is equals to 12. True or false? 10 is equals to 12. True or false? लेकिन आपको ये पता नहीं चल रहा कि 14 12 से बड़ा है और 10 12 से कम छोटा है. इक्वल्स मेथड हमको सिर्फ ये कहता है कि दो वैल्यूज इक्वल है कि नहीं, लेकिन कौन बड़ा कौन छोटा ऐसे नहीं हो सकता ना. सर आप ग्रेटर देन लेस देन यूज करो. ले बफेलो, ये जो है ना ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, ऑब्जेक्ट एड्रेस कंपेयर हो जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? यू कांट यूज ग्रेटर देन लेस देन. व्हाई? Object address will be compared. So finally you have to compare two objects and you should identify which one should come first and which one should go next, like which object is greater, which object is less. How do you do? So any class objects, whoever creates a class, if you want to compare the objects of that particular class, which one is greater, which one is smaller, so compulsory you have to implement comparable interface. Compulsory you have to implement comparable interface. If you implement comparable interface, you compulsory have to override comparative method. Do you understand now? Okay. Now integer wrapper class is implementing comparable interface, and comparative method is already overridden. Do you understand now? Integer class is implementing comparable interface already. Now in integer class already they are overriding comparative. But how are they overriding? How are they overriding? It is always in ascending order. It is always in ascending order. Okay. Still if you don't understand, so don't worry, I will tell you slowly. Okay. Now here we go. What is comparable? What is comparable? What is comparator? What is the return type of this method? Int value. Int value. If comparator is returning positive, first object is greater than second object. If comparator is returning any 0, first object is equals to second object. If comparator is returning negative, first object is less than second object. Have you ever observed somewhere I told this? I will ask, if you don't answer I will kill. Where did I use? Someone told, correct. String programs, correct. In string programs, which program? आप सुधरेंगे नहीं. हाँ, अब नहीं सुधरोगे पक्का. अच्छा होने का लक्षण एक भी नहीं है आपके पास. Sir, I will not scold. It is sorting the string array. You are going to sort the string array. You are going to compare one string with another string using comparator. Huh? Chi. Chi. La. Huh. Okay, I will tell you from the scratch, so don't worry. Comparable, comparator, I will tell you from the scratch, don't worry. Long years ago, there lived a class called student. Okay, but it is used. Hello. Okay, but I forgot the 885 katla. Sorry, okay, bye. Employee is also used, student is also used. Which will be easy for you? Huh? Huh? Product. Okay. Class product. Product will have string name, double price. That's it. Name of the product and price of the product. Source. Generate constructor using fields. Okay. After this, generate toString also. Means if I print the product should be printed or not. That's the reason. This much is it clear? Any doubts in this? Okay, good. We will create multiple products and we will add it to array list. Okay, create one array list. Array list of product list is equals to new array list of product. Correct? List dot add new product. Name of the product is what? Pencil. Price is 10 rupees. We used to get for 1 rupee, now 10 rupees. List dot add of new product pen, 25 rupees. Okay. List dot add of new product book. Who is that talking like? That monkey is using phone. Come on. Book price 50 rupees. Okay, done. This is the array list. Array sort करना आपको पता है, लेकिन मुझे array list को sort करना है अभी. How do you sort the array? Array is dot sort. But array list, is it array? What is array list? It is a collection. So collections. Collections, do you know what is collections? Huh? Collections is what? Utility class. Collections dot sort the list. Do you understand now? Collections dot sort the list. Then system dot out dot println, you are going to print the list. Are you getting error or not? Error. देखो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Sort method for sorting the elements. First of all, he has to compare which element is big, which element is small. Yes or no? Understood? So the point is, listen very carefully. Sort method has to compare the objects or not? Sort method has to compare the objects or not? To compare the objects, sort method will use comparative method. Sort method will use comparative method. Correct? So now, how it will work, you know? Sort method will compare first product with second product. Correct? Now, he will call comparative method. Tell me, do you have comparative method in product? Do you have comparative method in a product? Where is this comparative method? Comparable interface. Correct? So very easy. Sort method, to sort the objects, he has to understand which object is big, which object is small. Like that he will arrange. Correct? So sort method internally uses which method? Comparative method. Do we have comparative method in the product? No. That's why you are getting error. Do you understand now? That's why you are getting error. Let me read this error. What is this error? The method sort. Okay, leave it. Here is that. The method sort in the type of collections is not applicable for the arguments. Means whatever the list of array list of product you are giving, that is not applicable. The only reason is what? The product is not comparable type. The product is not comparable type. The product is not comparable type. हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा अभी? What we have to do now is very simple. Product implements comparable. Only then you can compare one product with another product. Otherwise not possible. Is it clear now? So implements comparable or not? Yes. Good. Now why are we getting line number 18 error? Very good. You have to implement comparative method. So what I am going to do? Add unimplemented methods. So product is implementing comparable. So we got comparative method. Is it clear now? So now how you want to compare one product with another product? Depending on the name or depending on the price? Price. So let us go. Already I have added according to the order only now. Yes or no? So I will go like this. Once again, 50 I will cut it, I will add it here. Okay. Now what I did, I have added the elements in ulta. Means what? First is what? Lowest. Correct or not? Okay. Middle one is what? Highest. Last one is what? Average. Middle value. This much is clear now? So now how do you want to sort it? Shall we go for ascending order? Okay. If I don't sort, how it works, I will tell you. Just give me a minute. देखो समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? Okay. So now what I do, I want to compare product objects depending on the price. So now what I will do, return this dot price. Means from which object you are going to call, that will be the current object. This dot price minus O dot price. But if you write like this, observe now, look at here, monkeys, observe now. Comparative argument type is what? Object. So now what I do, I will give specific here. Comparable of which type? Product type only. Which type? Product type only. Then I will change here to product. So no issues. Generic type, do you know or not? So I made it as product, and here also I am using product. So then there is no problem. So O is the product object. So O dot price I will write. Okay. Return type is what? Double. I have to change it to int. Okay. Price is double only, na? So return type is int here. So I am casting it to int. देखो अब क्या होगा? I will tell you. Sort method will compare two objects. देखो first object में क्या है? Pencil, and its price is what? 10. Do you understand now? Second object is what? Book, and its price is what? 50. Do you understand now? Now what will happen? This is object 1, this is object 2. Assume that this is S1 and this is S2. What will happen? Sort method will call like this: S1 dot compare to S2. S1 dot compare to S2. Like this, internally sort method will use comparative method. Means first object is compared with second object. What will be compared with what? First object will be compared with second. Any doubts in this? Okay, we will come back. We will come down. So now, you are calling comparative method from which object? So product object ले, there are two objects, book को pencil. Which object? देखो S1 dot comparative मतलब आप S1 से कॉल कर रहे हो monkeys. S1 क्या है? हाँ? So you are calling the comparative method from which object? S1 or S2? Huh? You are calling comparative method from S1. Are you understanding? So S1 is what? Pencil. Okay. Now here this represents what? Pencil. And you are passing S2 or not? S2 will be stored in what? O represents book. Correct or not? O represents book. Now this dot price is what? O dot price is what? So answer is positive or negative? Return type is what? Negative. Sorry, int. That is minus 40 will be returned or not? Minus 40. Negative answer. So S1 is less than S2 or more than S2? Less than. S1 is less than S2. That's why pencil will come first and book will go next. Do you understand now? Sorting will happen like this. Now what I did? Comparative method I have provided. So no issues. There is no error if you observe here. Why there is no error? Sort method will internally use comparative method. Comparative method, is it available in the products or not? Yes. So I will run the program. Now sorting is done. Lowest price 10 rupees, then little bit highest price 25 rupees, then little bit high price 50 rupees. Is it clear now? Price, did you understand or not? Okay, good, superb, done. Now I wanted you to sort according to what? Manufactured year. According to what? Manufactured year. I will write this one. Int manufactured year. Okay, int manufactured year. Should I have to write full? Manufactured year. Manufactured year. Okay, this I will copy it. I have to adjust the constructor also, no? This dot manufactured year is equals to manufactured year. Any doubts in this? Now I have to create the objects. So pencil is manufactured in 2020. Pen is manufactured in 2018. Book. Pen is manufactured in 2026. Okay. Now my question is, sort the product objects depending on the manufactured. So how do you do it? Comparative method, we will not use price. So what do you do? Manufactured year minus O dot manufactured year. Correct? Now depending on the manufactured year, products will be sorted. Run. book is first. Why book is first? 2018. Then why next pencil? 2020. Why pen? 2026. Sir, I want to print manufactured year also. You can overwrite toString once again. You can add there, but why? Who will do all these things? Run the code. Problem क्या है भाई? Comparator was there now. It is gone or what? See, instead of deleting this, I deleted. Okay, toString. I will run the code. See, depending on the manufacturer year, 2018, 2020 and 2026. This much is clear now? Now, you can sort user-defined objects. What did you tell me? User-defined objects according to our own way. Correct or not? Depending on the price, you can sort them. Depending on the manufactured year. Same is applied for even all other user-defined objects also. Is it clear now? Yes or no? Now, manufactured year, I am getting ascending order or descending order? Ascending order, descending order? I want descending. Karna kya hai? Reverse. How? See, this minus O, no? O minus this. Okay, if I write O dot manufactured year minus this dot manufactured year, gone. You will get same thing but in a reverse order. First is what? 2026, then 2020, then 2018. Did you understand now? Now sort the products depending on the price but in descending order. Sort the products depending on the price but in descending order. What I will write? O dot price minus this dot price. Over. This minus O means ascending. O minus this means what? Descending. So you are getting 18, 26 and 20. Why? I am comparing. Oh, what is this? Correct only, na? Wait a minute. Descending only I have to get. Depending on what? Price. Oh, price I have to check. No, sorry. I am checking here. So 50 rupees highest, 25, then 10. Yes or no? Descending it. So now you know how to customize the sorting order. You can customize your own sorting order with the help of which interface? Comparable interface. This much is clear now? Did you understand or not understand? Did you understand or not understood? Okay, good, superb. I am going to keep it this like this. Okay? Like monkeys, listen. This is not a problem. This is not a problem. Problem where it comes, you know, I will show you. Class. Sorting array list. Okay. Is it done? Demo. Okay, sorting array list demo. Here we go. Listen. Array list of integers. Thanks. Array list of what you tell me? Integers. List is equals to new. 1 second. Control Shift O. Then Control Space. Now list dot add. Okay. See, many times I have to do this one. Here I'll write arrays dot as list of 12, 34, 15, 10, 31. Is it in the sorted order? Is it there in the sorted order or not? Why it is not there? Because we are not sorting it. That's it. Because insertion order is maintained or not? देखो array list में insertion order maintained or not maintained? Yes or no? Is there anybody who says no? Okay. Look, monkeys. System order println list. What is your answer? 12, 34, 15, 10, 31. Any doubts in this? ये तो बहुत easy है. इसमें doubt है क्या आपको? No. Very good. Very nice. Superb. Fabulous. No. Now what I do? Collections dot sort of list. Tell me. 10, 15, 10, 12, 15, 31, 34. Correct? Why? Sorting. We are sorting or not? Okay. मुझे ascending नहीं चाहिए, descending चाहिए. क्या रिवर्स? कहाँ रिवर्स? ओ पहले सॉर्ट करके रिवर्स करते हो क्या? गलीज ले बार. ऑफ कोर्स वो भी करेक्ट है. सॉर्ट करो और बाद में रिवर्स करो, वो भी करेक्ट है, लेकिन I want to sort. I don't want to do two jobs like that. Reason is very simple. Override comparative method. Correct or not? You have to override comparative method or not? लेकिन कहाँ override करना है? Integer objects, integer class में. लेकिन integer जो class है predefined है, user defined है. Problem. Are you understanding? No, you are not understanding. Understanding or not? देखो, very important point I am going to tell you now. That's why I have told previous one. Listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. Hey, what sort method will do? He has to compare. He has to compare the objects, then he has to sort. For sorting, what he will use? Comparative method. Correct? Comparative method compulsory should be there in the objects or not? Which objects we are using? Integer objects. So integer is a class. Integer is already implementing comparable and they are already overriding comparative. How they have given the implementation of comparative? In ascending order. अगर हमको descending चाहिए तो हम क्या करना है? Comparative को override करना है, लेकिन comparative को हम override नहीं कर सकते because comparative method is already written in the integer and it is a predefined. We can't modify predefined classes. Correct or not? सब क्या करना है? प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? प्रोडक्ट में मुझे डिसेंडिंग चाहिए था तो मैंने क्या किया? कंपैरेटिव को ओवरराइड कर दिया. मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू माय रिक्वायरमेंट आई चेंज्ड. यहां मुझे डिसेंडिंग चाहिए, हमको क्या करना है? कंपैरेटिव को ओवरराइड करना है. तो करो. नहीं हो सकता. क्यों? इंटीजर ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर प्रीडिफाइंड. Because of this reason only, they gave you one more interface. One more interface. They called it as comparator. They called it as what? Tell me. Comparator. Why comparator interface? It provides compare method. It provides what method? Compare methods. But here it is having two objects. Object O1 comma object O2. देखो why comparator interface? हाँ? First of all, do you know why comparable interface? Why comparable interface? Because if we want to sort any collection, we have to compare the objects. To compare the objects, we have to use comparative method. So which interface will provide comparative method? Comparable. So you can directly implement comparable and you can override comparative however you want. Using this, you can customize the sorting order. What you can do? Customize the sorting order. The biggest problem is you cannot customize the sorting order of predefined classes. Why, sir? Because comparative already overridden and you can't modify them. Because of this reason only. Because of what reason? To customize the sorting order of predefined class objects. आपको समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है. दो तरह का क्लास होता है, predefined, user defined. Correct? If you want to sort a collection which is having user defined classes, and you want to customize the sorting order. What you will do? What you will do? Implement comparable interface, correct or not? Implement comparable interface and override comparative method. Possible or not? Yes. Now, if you want to sort a collection, but that collection is having predefined class objects, but you want to customize them, you don't want always ascending order. Ascending is that by default you will get ascending. Okay. Now I want descending order. तो क्या करना है अभी? Or see, there is a collection of strings. There is a collection of what? Strings. Sort the string collection according to length of the words. Shortest word first, second, third, as you go on, length of the string should increase. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? आ रहा है ना? So what is the question? There is an array list. There is an array list with strings. Sort the array list depending on the length of the words. कस्टमाइज करना ही है हमको, लेकिन हम नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? स्ट्रिंग एक प्री डिफाइंड क्लास है. We can't modify or we can't override comparative method in it. Why? Because it is already done and we can't touch predefined classes. इसी की वजह से इन्होंने क्या किया? कौन? Oracle people. By with predefined objects, predefined class objects, you can't override the comparative because they are fixed. You can't change them. So to fix this issue, I will give you one more interface. That interface is what? Comparator. Comparable is providing comparative method or not? Same like that, comparator is providing you compare method. That's it, compare. And it has two arguments. Comparative is having only one argument or not? Like that, compare is having two arguments. This much is it clear? What is comparable? Functional interface which defines comparative method, which is used mainly in customizing the sorting order. Major definition you tell me. Oh, you want to go deep? Okay, come on. What is comparable? It is a functional interface present in java.lang package which defines comparative method, which is majorly used in sorting of the collection. Do you understand now? Are you understanding? You can override the comparative method. You can override the comparative method to customize the sorting order in user defined class. Do you understand now? User defined class. Listen. देखो. User defined class जो है very important. Listen, buffaloes. Listen. Why it is not working? Is this not working? Come on. Just give me a minute. If you want to customize the order, sorting order, you are implementing comparable for user defined or not? You are overriding comparative or not? Same thing, can't I do implementing comparable and overriding compare? You can do it. You can do it. That is the advantage. So देखो, अगर user defined classes है, this class is designed by us, our wish. अगर हमको चाहे तो हम comparable implement करके comparative override करेंगे. Or you can implement comparator also and you can override compare method also. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So user defined class can use any interface, both interface, anything you can use. But predefined ऐसा नहीं होगा. क्यों? Already in predefined classes they have already overridden comparative. You can't touch that. So we have only one option. What is that? Comparator. So now what I will do? Integer is there. No, this I will do it in the reverse order. Do you understand now? Okay. Now you can't change integer. You know it. What I do is class my comparator implements comparator. Is it clear now? Comparator. Okay, done. Okay. So now, why are you getting error here? Override तो करो आप. देखो. We are overriding. Comparable. Why did I write comparator? No. You are gullies fellows like. Control Shift O. So import हो गया. So add unimplemented methods. So done. This much is it clear? So we have to override. How do you need? Ascending order means, look at here. Ascending order means O1 minus O2. Descending order means what? O2 minus O1. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So हम पहले ascending order ही करेंगे. We will do ascending order. Written what? O1 minus O2. Clear now? 0, 1 I have written. O1 it is. Nobody told. Wah. O1 minus O2. Is this much is clear now? Now, you should tell to the sort method that le buffalo sort method. What sort method internally use now? What sort method will use now? Compare to method. Correct? You should tell that, brother, don't use compare to. I will give you one comparator object. Inside that comparator object, there is a method called compare method. Instead of using compare to, use this compare. Correct or not? Instead of using compare to, use this compare. You have to give this object. Yes or no? Okay. Now, listen. For sorting, sort the list. Okay, na? Sort the list. Comma. Don't use compare to, use compare method. Where is this method? In my comparator. I will just give this object. New my comparator. What I am telling? Let's sort method. You should sort this list. करेंगे भाई, कर लेंगे, easy है. लेकिन मैं ये एक ऑब्जेक्ट दे रहा हूँ ना, कंपैरेटर. हाँ, इसमें एक वेरिएबल है कंपेयर. इसको यूज करके ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कंपेयर करो. डोंट यूज कंपेयर टू, यूज कंपेयर. दिस क्लियर नाउ? सो I am providing implementation in the ascending order. So what is the output? Ascending or descending? Ascending or descending? अब मुझे descending करना है. O2 minus O1. Observe now, even though they are predefined classes, we are customizing it. We are customizing the order. Now I am going to tell you. I will create. Okay, it is of integer, right? It is of integer, right? I will give strings. Okay, arrays dot as list integer. Okay, I will write it. What you tell me? String type. Observe. String type. Here I am going to modify here. Give different words with different lengths. First one, hi 2. Before this, bye. Correct only na? 3. Then what? Hello with 5. Okay. Any 4. Home. Clear now? I want you to sort them according to length of the letters. I want you to sort them according to length of the letters. Do you understand now? So you can implicitly sort will use what? Compare to. So that compare to implementation is according to alphabetical order. Internally compare to is overdone in the string class or not? How it is overdone? Alphabetical order. क्या हमको alphabetical order चाहिए? देखो, मान लो ये हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, ओके ना, छोड़ दो ये सब, सिर्फ डायरेक्टली सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं. कंपेयर टू यूज होगा, alphabetical order मिलेगा हमको. Bye, hello, hi, hope. Is it clear now? Alphabetical order will get. But I don't want alphabetical order. I want according to length of the string. हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Comparator implements comparator. What's the type of object here? It is string object. How do you do it? O1, O2. O1 dot length method. Control Z. I will do it. Integer is there. This I have to change it to string and copy this. Here also I will be making it as string. Come on. O1 dot length method minus O2 dot length method. Is it clear now? So length, number minus number is number. So return type will be int. You don't have to change it. Is it clear now? Now I am going to pass this. Don't use compare to, use compare. How do you do it? New my comparator. This much is it clear now? Superb. Done. Run the code. Hi, bye, home, hello. Is it clear? We are customizing or not? क्या आपको lambda expressions क्या है पता है आपको? पता है क्या आपको? Very good. Come on. Gullish fellows, you will keep forgetting. गायब, ये है ही नहीं. देखो, अब lambda expression use करके पास करो. कैसे करोगे? My comparator, guy comparator, no. What is the method? Compare. How many arguments? 2 arguments. What are those? O1, O2. Any doubts in this? Caps lock on. I'll change it as small. O1 comma O2. Correct? Implies single line means don't use return keyword. Correct? Then how do you do it? O1 dot length method minus O2 dot length method. Ascending or descending? Lengthwise ascending or descending? Ascending. Hi, bye, home, hello. Any doubts in this? अब करो lengthwise descending चाहिए मुझे. खत्म. O2 length minus O1 length. We can customize the sorting order with the help of comparable or comparator. If it is predefined, wait karo. If it is predefined, use comparator. Why not comparable? Because it is already compared to is overridden and it is predefined. We can't modify them. This much is clear now. But if it is user defined, which one I have to use? Comparable or comparator? Anything you can use. We have our own freedom. Anything we can use. Okay, I will show you. So we are sorting the array. Which product we were sorting or not here? Yes or no? So now we are implementing comparable. Use comparator. Who told you? You can't do it. Comparator you use. Comparator. So what is the method name now? Compare method. One is product O1, comma. Another one is what? Product O2. Correct or not? O1 price minus O2 price. Use करो. कौन बोला आपको नहीं होगा? Run the code. What is the problem? Sort, comma. You don't have to use anything comparator and all. So what is this? Sort the list. What it is showing now? Our list of product. What is the problem here with this? What is the problem with this? New product का है? New product. One second. New product का है? या इस पे है? New product. तो problem क्या है? Hey, don't. One second. The method sort in the type of collections is not applicable for the arguments are list of product. So I am okay. Implicitly it is going to use what? Comparator. Comparator, is it there here? No. So here I am writing comparable. Sorry. What is this? Comparator I want to use. No. Just what I do is listen. This I will change it. Okay. This I will change it. Observe now. This also I will change it. This much let it be like this. But directly I will use lambda expression here. Tell me. Compare method argument. O1 comma O2 implies O1 O1 dot price minus O2 dot price. Okay. Now what it is showing, cannot convert from double to int. I have to cast it. Open int, close it, and I am going to open the parenthesis here also, and I have to close it here also because price is double. No. Okay. Now what happened? Sorting is done depending on what? Price. 10, 25, 50. Do you understand now? Now I am using here what? Comparator. Sir, you are not implementing. Sir, separately you want to do means take one class. My comparator implements comparator, override the compare method, and you can pass it. Both are correct. Anything. So for user defined you can use comparable also, comparator also. For predefined you can use comparator only. Why? Comparable is already used. So did you understand what is comparable and comparator? So now my question. I was talking about tree, right? Tree internally uses compare to. Do you understand now? Tree internally uses compare to. Look at here now. Tree map demo we were giving now. So here we go. Do you understand? So if I run the code, what is the order? It is there in the ascending order only. Now you can pass here comparator also. Do you understand now? Ascending order, descending order. Ascending order. 3 is what? Integer. So integer means what? Comparable, comparator. Comparable, comparator. Comparator. What is the argument of comparator? O1 comma O2 implies O1 minus O2. Do you understand now? Ascending order. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you want descending? O2 minus O1. So run the code. What you will get now? 4, 3, 2, 1. So when you create a tree map, in the parenthesis directly you can pass comparator object. Do you understand now? Directly you can pass comparator object. But I am using lambda expression so that it will be easy for you. Is it clear now? So this is what introduction to tree map. Sorting also you know it now. Some basic chota programs we will do tomorrow. Then we will go to set. Okay na? Done. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great time.